To find discount code for asitisnutrition.com, what you have to do is simply search this on your browser and then click on the first website called vthrift.com. In this website, you will see a lot of promo codes listed like extra 10% off, 5% off, and many other type of other variants of discount coupon. So as it is discount coupon, what you have to do is mainly you have to come to this website, and here you can find the codes. To get a code, you have an option here. You can see all of the codes are verified. Click on the get code option to get a specific code for you that you like. Now move to the second website where you can find codes for asitis.com. Now dealdrop.com is a second website, our best and the genuine website that provides genuine codes for any other website, and as it is website as well. Now on this home screen, you will again see a lot of option to view available promo codes like listed here, 5% off and 5% off on buy and save options. There's a lot of thing. What you have to do is simply click on the get code option to get it. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.